One thing that I did today was break my door. I was sort of banging it and it banged against this other doorknob, like in direct conflict, and it was a little bit, it demented the doorknob. Ugh, a spider in there. There's a door bit that I put somewhere down there. I just chucked it. Because yeah, cobweb. I had a dream last night about a spider. Yuck, it's so dusty. Oh, my bit's in there. I'm gonna have to reach in and get it. I can't get it. I need a stick or something to get it out. This will do. It's only a little bit further in there. My lovely hairbrush. Chucked it in there. I might get some scissors. Hang on. There's so many things that can go wrong. I was gonna go to the Gold Coast today, and once again, it's a nice day for it. But oh, that was a big thud. Something really big just fell down outdoors. I'll go check it in a sec. I can get it. I just need the right thing. Let's check on the tree. See, fell down. The old palm tree, that sick and ailing palm tree's gone. It's a bit upsetting. Poor little trees. Where's that stuff? Here it is. I find it hard to take down a tree because I want the tree to stay. Trees are so pretty. I'll see if I can get this thing out with these tongs. I don't think I can get it out. I'll have to remove everything. That's no good. I'll have to remove everything just to get it out again. Anyways, like I said, the door broke because of its impact. And whatnot, so so I'll take one more look at the doorknob. I'll probably have to buy a new one, and they're really kind of cheap. They cost no more than $15, I would say. But I'm gonna get one with a lock if I get to replace it, so no, then I can be locked in.